According to alatest research, rosemary prevents aging and it also works as potent antioxidant agent. Rosemary blooms 2 times a year, the first time in April and the second time in September. It's abundant in flavonoids, the compounds that improve the blood flow to all tissues, strengthen the blood vessels, and promote circulation. For that reason, it can be used to treat headaches, to stimulate the hair growth and improve memory. It positively affects the digestive system and the people often use it for treating constipation, indigestion, stomach cramps, and improper absorption of nutrients in the intestine. It's scientifically shown that rosemary extract is able to stimulate the secretion of bile, the crucial element in the digestion of fats. In 1995 it was conducted a study which discovered that rosemary also works as natural diuretic, and that in turn makes it effective at cleansing the liver from the toxic substances. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties cannot be ignored as they are very powerful and they have the ability to treat infections of the throat, ear, nose, and bronchitis. Moreover, rosemary also cures fatigue and provides relief of rheumatism, muscle pain, and sciatica. For external use, you can dilute the rosemary oil with some neutral oil like sunflower oil and apply onto the affected area. Adding rosemary tea into your bath is one more good way to relieve rheumatism. Rosemary extract also promotes better blood flow to the scalp, preventing formation of dandruff and baldness. Be careful with rosemary oil, as children shouldn't use it. Pregnant women and nursing mothers should use very small amounts of it for culinary purposes.